Here are some reasons why you might actually want to buy freaking just a box load of these things. I got the 30 milliliter version, so it came with 30 of these. But first off, when you buy these, you're not going to need any more. Like, I mean, there's so many here, so you're pretty much set. They are actually waterproof and watertight, as you can see. You don't have to worry about water leaking out of these jars, which is very nice. They're easy to open. They're quite portable. If you use like a standard lip balm here, as you can see, it's about the same size as the lip balm, which is quite nice. It's a little bit more thick, but you know, that's sort of what's expected. Obviously, this is the 30 milliliter version, so depending on the size you get, you could either get bigger or smaller, but it's going to come with more or less of these. I gotta say, the 30 milliliter for me was the best deal. Came with a very nice size. I quite like these. They're very sturdy, made of glass. They feel good. The other nice thing is they come with a couple pipettes, which is quite nice. And I think these are 3 milliliter pipettes. They're obviously very cheap, but the fact that it comes with some extra ones is always a nice touch. Anyway, the lid screws on very nicely. Obviously, the inside here, it's got this like plastic coating, which I think is supposed to help it be watertight, which it does a very good job of doing that. The whole thing, I think if you're looking for some little bottles, I think you're looking in the right place. I like the box it comes in as well. It's got kind of that, it's like a plastic cardboard kind of box, so you don't have to worry about these things breaking, especially once they're in here and all sealed. So overall, very good deal. I totally recommend these.